actually smells so bad. Don't do this. Don't do this at home. Oh my god. Look at me. Brad Mondo, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Desperate times lead to desperate measures. So we're in a bit of a weird state of the world right now. And if you're in the UK, you will know, well, hopefully you know, we've just gone into lockdown for 3 weeks. Yesterday, I had a meltdown that I'm not going to be able to see James for 3 weeks because we were supposed to be moving in together within the next 3 weeks, but I have a feeling that's not going to happen. And today, I'm going to be cutting and dyeing my own hair. If you're a hairdresser and you're watching this, I'm deeply sorry. If you're my hairdresser and you're watching this, I'm also deeply sorry. Jess or Samantha, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Also, I just want to put it out there, please don't try this at home. I know you might be tempted, as like I am, and I've just, you know, I'm about to do it, but please don't do this yourself. I have actually done this before. I'm not a professional by any means, and I don't know any sort of techniques. I've watched quite a few YouTube videos, and I have done this before and my hair hasn't completely fallen out, so... And before you freak out, it's really not that drastic. I'm not like cutting my hair into a bob and bleaching it white. I'm just gonna add a few little balayage bits through the front, and I'm gonna give it a little trim. That's it, but it could still go horribly wrong. I haven't dyed my own hair in 2 years. I used to do it quite a lot, but today we're gonna give this a well-needed trim. And it's getting a little bit dark, so whoa. I literally just want to put like a few little blonde bits up here and like towards the front, and if I end up looking like an e-girl with some of those chunky stripes, that's fine. I'm willing to risk my hair. It won't be the end of the world. If you're not willing to risk your hair, please don't do this at home. If there are any other beauty treatments that you want me to try in this time so you don't have to, let me know down below, and just any other videos that you want to see, because I've got nothing better to do. Right, I'm going to take you into my bathroom and let's see what happens. This is kind of weird. I never normally bring my big camera into the bathroom. I normally just do it on my vlog camera, but my vlog camera's kind of broken. Right, so I'm just going to gently brush through my hair. Okay, so I just want to make sure that I get the parting that I usually go for. Wow, that's straight. That'll do. So I did have some blonde balayage bits like throughout the tops of my hair. However, most of them have like snapped off, which is probably a reason why I should not be doing this video. But like, even when I go to a professional, my hair still seems to break, and I use Olaplex. So I don't know what's going on there, but like I did have some pieces at the front of my hair. I think it's because I use so much heat on my hair, like they just snapped off. So I'm gonna do it again. Right, okay, what am I actually doing? That should do it. That's better. I'm already regretting my decision. The lighting in here is natural lighting, so if it gets darker throughout this, it's the weather's fault, not mine. Why do they smell like crisps? I'm gonna mix up my bleach. I'm not gonna like show you how I do this. I don't even know if this brand still exists. It's called Color Freedom. I'm just gonna do that because I'm not gonna show you because it's not a tutorial, but I'm just gonna mix up a little bit. This actually smells so bad. Right, well, I'm just gonna go for it because I want to do some bits at the front, obviously not this big. Oh god. You know what, let me just... Those pieces are not equal. Still definitely not equal, but we'll go with it. Okay, I want to get these like little wispy bits underneath. That'll do. Definitely not the advised technique, but it's fine. It's not fine. It's not fine. I think I've already f***ed up. You know what? I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers and just make sure that it's worked through my hair. That just went on the floor. Sorry, Mom. Oh crap. I don't want to get it there. Perfect. Now what do I do? I didn't get my tinfoil ready before I did this. Ta-da! Oh, that one didn't go very well. Hang on a minute. Oh, now it's just... I don't even know how long I'm supposed to leave these for. Natural shade, medium to dark blonde, 20 to 30 minutes. Dark blonde to light brown. I would say I'm dark blonde to light brown. Is that what this is? Or is that medium brown? Light brown to medium brown? It says 30 to 40 minutes. So let's check it in half an hour. What can I do with the rest of my hair? What is that? What am I doing? Don't do this. Don't do this at home. I am aware that this looks like a mess. However, I'm kind of just treating it like an art project. Sometimes they don't turn out good. Other times they turn out totally fine. Oh, that was way too much. This is a terrible idea. Like, what am I doing? Right, so now we wait for another 20 minutes, see if these bits are done. I should have done my whole head at the same time. Don't ask why I'm not putting tinfoil all over my head. Mostly just because I can't be bothered. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm actually such an idiot. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna put the next 30 minutes to good use. Right then boys and girls, it's been 40 minutes. As you can see, the sun has gone in. I've just been practicing TikTok dances literally for the past 40 minutes. And I'm gonna see if these are good job. I'm gonna see if these are processed without ripping my hair out. Oh, that's really blonde. Oh, can you see this? Oh my god. Oh no. It's stuck in the freaking foil. Don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it. Oh my god, for a minute I thought all my hair just came off in that. Yeah, oops. Oh no. Oh shit, what have I done? So what have you done? What is this? It looks like noodles. I'm gonna go wash my hair. To make it even worse, I'm gonna give myself a little trim. Right, so we have a bit of a problem. This side has gone way more blonde than this side. And I don't know why, but I'm sure I can fix it. By the way, I'm brushing my hair super gently. This is a wet brush. Wow, this lighting is really bad. I'm sorry. The sun is like fully gone in. I started this at 4:30 and it's now like 6:15. I don't actually think the other pieces of bleach that I put in my hair have like worked. I'm guessing because the bleach dried out. I did use purple shampoo on these, but I should probably have used a proper toner. Oh, why do I have a bald patch? Okay, it's the same on the other side. Wow, okay, great. You know what I'm actually gonna do, just while I'm cutting the rest of my hair, I'm gonna take these little bleachy pieces again. What is this? I'm gonna take these, which, oh my god, they're already drying. And I'm gonna put some more purple shampoo in them. If this goes purple, I'm actually gonna have that e-girl hair. Oh god, it's on my face. Oh crap, I think that's actually just turning purple. Now that my hair's wet, I'm gonna give it a little trim. The way that I have learnt to cut my own hair in the past, and I know this looks ridiculous, but I'm gonna tie it in front of my head. This is not gonna work if you have thick hair, by the way. Oh my god, look at me. And I'm just taking my comb. That is so wonky. Oh my god, I've never done this on wet hair before. I'm gonna section it. So I've resorted to sitting on the bathroom floor, just so you guys can see what I'm doing and I can see what I'm doing. Lovely. That is definitely still not straight. Oh god, that's so wonky. This is such a mess. Are they even? What? Why is there one piece that is this length and one piece that is this length? I think this is a shorter layer, but honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's just give it a little trim. And my camera's about to die.
A few inches later.
Hi, so my camera died, but I just trimmed the ends a bit. I also then trimmed these front pieces, but I really don't think they're very even. I literally just took them like this, brought them to the front of my hair, and then trimmed them. And then, oh god, they're so uneven. But I definitely gave my hair a bit of a trim. Not too much, probably like an inch I took off. But I can't really tell until it's dry if it like looks decent. I'm gonna go dry my hair and then we'll see what it actually looks like when it's finished. Right now, not too keen on these front bits. Okay, so two things. It looks way shorter because I just curled it using my air wrap. And when I do that, for some reason, it like really bounces up. because I was trying to like not use straighteners on it today, and I normally curl my hair with my straighteners, so that is also why it's not completely smooth. But well, it's a little bit mixed. They're definitely, these two pieces at the front are definitely still a bit too yellow. I think I will go and like tone them again. Also, they're not very even. And I've just got like random blobs of bleach like here. I think I can see a few of the bits on this side. It looks a little bit crazy up here, doesn't it? I mean, I don't think it looks too bad, but this bit is really annoying me. I think there was just too much bleach towards my roots and not enough like throughout the rest of the strands of the hair. I'm thinking maybe I should have done some pieces like at the bottom, but we can save that for another day. I'm gonna answer a question of the day. Again, don't try this at home. I'm gonna answer a question of the day. If you guys have got any other questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day. Today's question comes from Miss M1993, and she has said, before you did YouTube, did you ever buy high-end makeup? And if you did, what was your first purchase? The only makeup that I would consider high-end that I bought before YouTube was MAC lipsticks. My first purchase of a MAC lipstick was Creme de Nude. I barely ever wore it because it was literally like lighter than my skin. But I think I got that when I was like 14, 15. But other than that, not really. I didn't really buy high-end makeup at all because before YouTube, or when I started YouTube, I was 18 and I'd only just had like my first job and I didn't really have that much money. And so all of my money went on drugstore makeup, and then just as I got older and started earning money, I do occasionally treat myself to some higher end makeup bits now. Right, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go try and fix this. Oh, it doesn't look too bad, but it's just like not, it's just annoying me how it's brighter blonde up here. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to test out some more things of me doing my own beauty stuff, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you want to see. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!